Have you ever felt like your life has a higher purpose? Like there's something unique and extraordinary about your journey that sets you apart? You might be right. In today's video, we'll uncover the 5 unmistakable signs that indicate you are on a divine mission. These signs are often experienced only by the chosen ones, those who are set apart by the universe for a special path. If you've ever wondered if you possess a spiritual destiny, this video is for you. We're going to dive deep into these 5 signs, revealing how they manifest in your life and what they mean for your unique journey. From experiencing profound synchronicities to feeling an unshakable inner calling, these signs will resonate deeply if you're truly among the chosen ones. So, stay with us till the end, and if you find this video enlightening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your story could be the beacon that guides others on their path. Do you ever feel a persistent inner voice guiding you, even when everything around you suggests otherwise? This isn't just a fleeting thought or a random idea. It's a deep inner calling. This calling is a powerful force within you, constantly nudging you towards a path that aligns with your higher purpose. Imagine this. You're going about your daily life and certain thoughts or ideas keep resurfacing, urging you to take action or follow a specific direction. It's like an invisible thread pulling you towards something greater. This isn't mere coincidence. It's your inner calling, a sign that you have a divine mission to fulfill. For many chosen ones, this inner calling manifests in various ways. It might come to you in dreams, where vivid and meaningful scenarios play out, leaving you with a sense of urgency and clarity upon waking. Or perhaps it surfaces during moments of quiet reflection, where a particular thought or vision becomes so clear and compelling that it feels like a message from a higher power. If you've ever experienced this relentless pull towards a specific path, even when it defies logic or practicality, then you're likely experiencing one of the strongest signs of a divine mission. This inner calling is your soul's way of communicating with you, guiding you towards your true purpose. If you've ever felt a pull towards a particular mission, even when it defies logic, this is a clear sign you're chosen. You might find yourself drawn to certain causes, professions, or creative pursuits that resonate deeply with your soul. It's as if these paths are already imprinted in your being, waiting for you to discover and embrace them. Think about the moments when you feel most alive and fulfilled. These are the times when you're likely aligned with your divine mission. Your inner calling isn't just a vague feeling. It's a powerful guide steering you towards your higher purpose. It's why you can't ignore it, no matter how much you try to rationalize or push it aside. So, when you feel this deep inner calling, trust it. Embrace it as a sign that you are on a unique path, set apart by the universe for a special purpose. You are not alone in this journey. Many others feel this same pull, this same calling, and it's what connects you to the greater tapestry of the chosen ones. Have you ever noticed patterns or coincidences that seem too meaningful to be random? These are known as synchronicities, and they play a significant role in guiding those on a divine mission. Synchronicities are moments where the universe aligns events in a way that defies logical explanation, offering you guidance and affirmation. Imagine seeing the same number repeatedly, like 1111, or frequently encountering a specific symbol or word. These synchronicities are not mere coincidences. They are the universe's way of communicating with you, affirming that you are on the right path. Each synchronistic event is a gentle nudge, a signpost pointing you towards your higher purpose. For example, you might be thinking about a specific goal or question, and suddenly you overhear a conversation that provides the exact answer or insight you needed. Or perhaps you're contemplating a big decision, and out of nowhere, a book falls off the shelf with a title that resonates deeply with your situation. These moments are the universe's way of saying, "Pay attention, this is important." Synchronicities often manifest when you are in tune with your inner calling and aligned with your divine mission. They are confirmations that you are on the right track, even if the path ahead seems unclear. If you start noticing these unusual synchronicities in your life, take them as a sign that the universe is guiding you towards your higher purpose. These moments are more than just coincidences. They are the universe's way of confirming you're on the right path. When you experience synchronicities, it's as if the cosmos is aligning itself to support your journey. Each synchronistic event reinforces that your steps are being guided and that you're exactly where you need to be. Think of these synchronicities as breadcrumbs left by the universe, leading you toward your higher purpose. They provide reassurance during times of doubt and clarity when you face confusion. When you notice these patterns, it's a reminder that you are not alone and that a greater force is at play orchestrating events to guide you. So pay attention to these signs. When you see recurring numbers, symbols, or encounter meaningful coincidences, acknowledge them. They are the universe's way of communicating with you, offering validation and guidance. Trust that these synchronicities are markers on your path, leading you closer to fulfilling your divine mission. Do you often find yourself deeply affected by the emotions and energies around you? This heightened empathy and sensitivity is a powerful sign that you have a divine mission. As a chosen one, you are more attuned to the feelings and vibrations of others, making you a natural healer and guide. This empathy goes beyond simply understanding how others feel. It's an intense, almost intuitive connection to the emotional and energetic states of those around you. You might feel overwhelmed in crowded places or need more time to recharge after social interactions because you absorb the energies surrounding you. Your heightened sensitivity can be both a gift and a challenge. On the one hand, it allows you to connect with people on a deeper level, offering support and comfort when they need it most. You can sense their needs and emotions often before they even express them, which makes you a compassionate friend and a wise counselor. However, this sensitivity can also be overwhelming. You might find yourself drained after being around certain people or in specific environments. Negative energies can affect you more profoundly, leading to feelings of anxiety or fatigue. It's essential to learn how to protect your energy and establish boundaries to maintain your well-being. Understanding how to navigate this heightened empathy is crucial. Practices such as meditation, grounding exercises, and spending time in nature can help you manage your sensitivity and use it as a strength rather than a weakness. Embracing this aspect of yourself will enable you to fulfill your divine mission more effectively, using your empathy to heal and guide those around you. Your empathy is a tool for connection and healing, guiding you towards your divine mission. Embrace this sensitivity as a unique strength that allows you to understand and support others in ways few can. Recognize that your ability to feel deeply is not a burden but a powerful gift that can transform lives. By acknowledging and nurturing your empathetic nature, you empower yourself to make a meaningful impact on the world. Use your heightened sensitivity to foster compassion, build deep relationships, and create a sense of understanding and unity wherever you go. Remember, your empathy is a beacon of light in a world that often needs more kindness and connection. To harness this power, practice self-care and set healthy boundaries. Protect your energy by surrounding yourself with positivity and engaging in activities that replenish your spirit. This way, you can continue to shine brightly and fulfill your divine mission without feeling overwhelmed. So, when you feel deeply and connect profoundly with others, know that this is a sign of your unique path. Your empathy is a testament to your strength and purpose. Embrace it, nurture it, and let it guide you towards your higher calling. Have you ever felt like the universe is constantly throwing challenges your way? These relentless tests are a clear sign that you have a divine mission. For those chosen to fulfill a higher purpose, life's path is often fraught with obstacles that seem uniquely tailored to push their limits and test their resolve. These challenges are not random. They are carefully placed on your path to strengthen you, to help you grow and evolve into the person you need to be to fulfill your mission. Whether it's through personal struggles, professional setbacks, or emotional turmoil, each challenge serves a specific purpose in your spiritual journey. Rather than viewing these challenges as unfair burdens, try to see them as opportunities for growth. Each obstacle you face is a chance to develop resilience, wisdom, and strength. The universe isn't trying to break you. It's molding you, preparing you for the significant role you are destined to play. When you encounter a tough situation, ask yourself what lesson it holds. How can this experience make you stronger or wiser? By shifting your perspective, you can transform challenges into valuable learning experiences. This mindset not only helps you overcome obstacles, but also empowers you to face future challenges with confidence and grace. Remember, the universe tests those it knows can handle it. Each challenge you conquer is a testament to your strength and readiness for your divine mission. Embrace these tests as stepping stones on your path to greatness, and trust that they are shaping you into the person you are meant to become. Remember, the universe only tests those it knows can overcome and thrive. These challenges, no matter how daunting, are affirmations of your strength and potential. Each hurdle you face is not meant to deter you, but to prepare you for the greater tasks that lie ahead in your divine mission. Take heart in knowing that every difficulty you encounter is a stepping stone towards your higher purpose. You are not alone in this journey. Many who have walked this path before you have faced similar trials and have emerged stronger and more enlightened. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, remind yourself of the growth and resilience you have gained from past challenges. Use these memories as fuel to keep moving forward. Embrace the process, knowing that each test is refining you, sharpening your abilities, and fortifying your spirit. Stay focused on your mission and trust in your inner strength. You are equipped to handle whatever comes your way. Your perseverance through these relentless challenges is proof of your readiness to fulfill your higher purpose. Keep pushing forward and let your journey inspire others who are facing their own tests. So, when the road gets tough, remember, you are chosen for a reason. The universe believes in your capacity to overcome and succeed. Embrace these challenges as essential parts of your path and let them propel you towards your divine destiny. Do you often feel like you don't quite fit in with the crowd? This sense of being different or isolated is a profound sign that you have a divine mission. Chosen ones frequently experience a disconnect from the mainstream because their path is unique and set apart by the universe. This feeling of isolation isn't about being alone in a physical sense. It's about sensing that your thoughts, values, and experiences set you apart from those around you. You might find it challenging to relate to others who don't share your perspective or feel misunderstood when you try to express your deeper insights and aspirations. Understand that this feeling of being different is not a flaw, but a testament to your special purpose. You are set apart for a reason, meant to follow a path that is uniquely yours. While it can be lonely at times, this isolation is a part of your preparation, helping you to become more self-reliant and introspective. Take comfort in knowing that many who are on a divine mission experience this same sense of separateness. It's a sign that you are aligned with a higher calling, and that your journey, though solitary at times, is meaningful and essential. When you feel isolated, remember that you are not alone in this experience. There are others like you, spread across the world, each walking their own unique path. Your feelings of being different are a marker of your special role in the grand tapestry of life. Embrace your uniqueness and trust that it is leading you towards your higher purpose. So stand tall in your individuality. Let your distinct perspective be your guide, and know that your sense of being different is a powerful indicator of your divine mission. You are on a path meant just for you, and that is something to be celebrated. Understand that this feeling of being different is not a flaw, but a testament to your special purpose. You are set apart for a reason, meant to follow a path that is uniquely yours. While it can be lonely at times, this isolation is a part of your preparation, helping you to become more self-reliant and introspective. Take comfort in knowing that many who are on a divine mission experience this same sense of separateness. It's a sign that you are aligned with a higher calling and that your journey, though solitary at times, is meaningful and essential. When you feel isolated, remember that you are not alone in this experience. There are others like you, spread across the world, each walking their own unique path. Your feelings of being different are a marker of your special role in the grand tapestry of life. Embrace your uniqueness and trust that it is leading you towards your higher purpose. So, stand tall in your individuality. Let your distinct perspective be your guide, and know that your sense of being different is a powerful indicator of your divine mission. You are on a path meant just for you, and that is something to be celebrated. As we journey through life, recognizing these 5 signs can help you understand your divine mission. From feeling a deep inner calling to noticing unusual synchronicities, having heightened empathy, facing relentless challenges, and experiencing a sense of isolation. Each sign is a powerful indicator of your unique path. Embrace these signs as confirmations that you are chosen for something greater. If these signs resonate with you, you're not alone. You are part of a special group destined for a higher purpose. Trust in your journey, embrace your uniqueness, and let your light shine. Before you go, if this video brought clarity or inspiration, please hit that like button as a way to let the universe know you're ready to embrace your divine mission. Subscribe to our channel to join a community of like-minded souls on their spiritual journey. And we'd love to hear your story. Drop a comment below about your experiences with these signs. Your insight might just be the beacon someone else needs. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are chosen for a reason. Keep shining brightly.